So here's a little pro tip. Y'all want to mock the crunchy people? Well, I would not do that. See, what happened was this little adhesive mark right here that you're seeing on this floor is stuck there because right above here, there was a door stop for the handle. Those plastic ones that come with a double-sided adhesive. And it fell off and it stuck to the floor. So what do you do without destroying your floor? Well, I'm going to show you that with a little bit of patience and a little bit of lemon oil, which I've already put on here. See, it just melts it right off. Watch this. See this right here? It's coming off, but I chance damaging it. This over here is literally just gonna peel off. And you can see how much easier that is. I know, it looks gross, but you'd rather do this and have the oil as a lubricant that breaks up this adhesive like this than to have no lubricant. See, now I'm spreading into this, and even this is gonna go break it down. Now, let's do this, because I know some of you are not gonna believe me that this is what's going on. And it doesn't even take long. I sat this for a few minutes. This has been working in, and you saw it's coming up, but I am gently just doing this. So this is gonna be your, please Lord, let it work, because I don't want to ruin my floor. The whole point of this is to not ruin your finish, because a lot of times there's either a lacquer finish or a polyurethane finish on these wooden floors. These are engineered hardwood floors, which still will have a finish as such, and you don't want to ruin it. And as you can see, I'm not using any sort of force or pressure really to speak of. My fingernails just gliding there. And it's just coming right off. And it smells lemony fresh. Now this right here has had the least amount of time, so it's a little bit more stubborn, which shows you that it actually works. You saw me do this one. We're gonna put a few more drops here. And I can thank one of my oil friends. I think they call themselves oily, those type of people. But you know what? Crunchy, oily, whatever. Smells good. It's killing this adhesive without killing the floor. And as you can see, all this is coming up. It took me a couple of minutes. And nothing is stuck to the floor. Look at that. Y'all, lemon essential oils. This particular brand, I believe you can buy in Sprouts, possibly Whole Foods, maybe even on Amazon, I'm not sure. I'd be very careful with these oils to make sure you get them from a legit retailer though, because you don't know what's in them otherwise, and your health could suffer from it. This is gonna be a lot safer, but that took all of that off. I can just literally squeegee this to the side and no more ring of adhesive. So now what I'll do is I'm going to let this start evaporating off. I'll wipe it down with a cloth, and Bob's your uncle, right? So thanks for watching this far. Thank you for having the patience and the smarts to look for a solution that doesn't tear the finish off your floors. Now these floors are 11 years old, so I'm sure you can see the scratching and whatnot. You still don't want to destroy a floor. This will work on brand new floors as well. As long as the finish has cured. I would not try this unless you have a spare piece to try it on a brand new floor that the finish has not cured completely on, because it could be detrimental. Now you can see we are at 4 minutes and 47 seconds in this video. I'm not getting burnt or anything. This is pure essential oil. This is why I want to show you guys this, because it's not toxic. It's not gonna hurt anybody. unless someone's allergic to lemon, you can use this. You know, obviously, don't do that if you're allergic to it, but you can use it. It's safe, and it does come off without destroying your floor. And what can happen is you can not only pull the finish off, but you can stain a ring that's the shape of that adhesive, or whatever the shape is of the adhesive that you got stuck to your floor, and it can permanently change the coloring of the floor. So always try to go with something that's a little less abrasive like this than, say, Goof Off or Goo Be Gone, or whatever you want to call it, Goo Gone. You guys, thank you. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep your floors clean. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one.